Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will share with you my top 2 crypto altcoins that are expected to move during 2024, and the potential for these moves is great. So let's begin with the first one, Litecoin. We are going to break this down from a weekly time frame. As we can see, we have the first top here that was created on July 2023. It was some months ago, and this was related with the movement created on the crypto market also from Bitcoin. So this move was very interesting, and if we are going to refer to the left structure, we can see that the price already reached an area that was previously tested during Luna and Celsius collapse, all of this area here. And it is likely that on a higher time frame the price can continue to increase further. However, another reason that I'm looking in this way is because Bitcoin at this moment is already testing very old structure areas. It is close to 23,000, 24,000 in this area here. It was the beginning of the Luna problems, so it has recovered a lot. And if we are going to refer only to the movement created on July, it was this move here, when all the crypto market benefited from this move. We can see that not all the altcoins moved in the same way. So this is the reason that after Bitcoin we may see also Litecoin to recover again. This is undervalued in my opinion, considering the current structure. So the first target for a higher time frame trading, for a longer term trading, probably I would target 113, the top of this structure zone here. The price was on June 23, and the chances are very high that on the bigger time frame we can see this movement happening. However, let's break this down on a lower time frame and let's see what this is offering. On a lower time frame, and I would like to go on the 4-hour time frame before going on with the other ones. Yesterday I found something very beautiful, and this is a typical example when the history repeats itself. Here we had a head and shoulder pattern. This is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and after the price broke out from this area here, just one moment to adjust this. After the price broke out from this area here, we can see a bullish movement that happened near this zone, so it was perfect. Yesterday I observed the same pattern that was created, and here we have another inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it is likely that the price will continue to grow further from this point. This is an analysis that I shared also yesterday on my group, and as you can see, from 74.36 the price is already on the move. From this area already reached this zone here, close to the first target, 77.63, it was the first one, so we are close to 78.19 and 21.2. Here are the first target that we have, and the other one is a bit higher at 21.2. so this is what we are looking at, but this is for short-term trading or for swing trading as a target. This has higher chances of happening at this moment. If we are going to refer to the movement that the price created before, it has higher chances, and also from the current zone it may bounce again. And if we are going to look at on a higher time frame, after we have the lower time frame perspective, we can see that the second target fits very well with the first structure zone. We can take another target close to 93. We have another structure zone. These are very strong K area, and the biggest one is close to the top. If we are going to measure the moves from the current price perspective, this is expected close to the first target because the entry was yesterday. It was approximately 5%. The second one that has high chances of happening is nearly to 10%, 20% approximately, and 25%. As we have seen, the crypto market already exploded for many altcoins, and if this is going to happen, then the overall movement is expected to be nearly 50% from the current price zone. So this is what I'm looking at for Litecoin. In my opinion, in the current conditions, if you are going to trade with futures, considering also that the market is a bit volatile, the stop loss is recommended to be below the pattern in order to have more chances for the bigger bullish move, and we can use also the leverage and to limit the losses here. So this is the overall trading plan for short-term and medium-term trading for Litecoin. The second one that I'm gonna share with you is a Ripple. I really like this, how the price is creating the structure. We are going to look at this on a daily time frame, and as you can see from the daily chart, the price created many structure areas, but I'm going to look at only the previous zones. And as you can see from the bottom and from the top, we have a well-defined support and resistance zone. This broken support, this broken resistance where we are right now, is turned into support for the moment, and the chances are very high that this was the bottom for Ripple. So probably a Ripple will not move down more than 0.57. At least this is what I'm looking at with the current data. The chances are that probably a Ripple is creating a type of triangle, and if this is the final pattern for Ripple, the next movement is expected to be a breakout of the triangle pattern and a bigger bullish move. So it looks like the price is accumulating. A very good entry zone can be close to 0.5780, and this is how it can happen, but also from the market price, the price can bounce again from this area. So this is the trading scenario that I'm looking at for Ripple. The overall movement that I'm looking at is up to the top of this area here as a maximum for the short-term trading, and another one is 0.8190. So these are the two areas where I'm looking at for taking profits related with Ripple. Overall, from bottom to top, we can see that if we are going to join the price from 0.57, we have a 20% profit on the first target and approximately 60% on the second target. So this is the profit potential for Ripple. Overall, this is better related with altcoin. However, both projects are really good, but I think that Ripple has a better potential, and also the project is a lot better compared to many cryptocurrencies, despite the reason that the price is not moving yet from this area here. So this is overall what I'm looking at for both these two altcoins. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.